Alright, hello everybody. We are still in Anaheim. We're coming up to this Chevron, which is actually to my left here. Supposedly there's a Washworld Razor in there. The bay looks pretty long and pretty unique, so looks like there might be Premier dryers or something in there. But ironically, the last car wash I just did left the side of my car with white spots. I'm not sure if you can see on camera. So hopefully this one will take care of it and not leave water spots.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right.
Awesome. It looks like that bay may have used to have been a tunnel wash, like a hand car wash, but is obviously no longer. Let's see what awaits us in here. So it looks like the top wash is the works, and it's only $13, so that's pretty reasonable. Well, I was right about the wash. It is indeed a Washworld Razor. So this one just has the regular arm. The other one that was branded with that Auto Spa logo had a double barrel arm. Let's go ahead and do that $12, which you get double pre-soak, undercarriage, a double high pressure rinse, tricolor, ultra shield, and power dry. Seems like a decent value.
Please insert payment now.
Assuming all of that is working, of course. I'm gonna put you up here while I pay. It's not really all that interesting of a process.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Okay, I guess the receipt printer doesn't work. Okay. This looks like an interesting variant of those dryers. Oh, jeez. Well, there's our rocker panel blasters. This definitely used to be a tunnel wash, I can tell. The bay is just so long. It's bumpy, though. All right, let's see what this has to, what has in store. Let's see what this has in store for us. Sorry. This one looks like it's a bit crusty, so it's probably been in here for a while. Very, very thick covering of pre-soak, and that's exactly what you want. Oh, Stacy's with me, but she's barely awake. So we're probably going to be doing another pass of pre-soak, just like the thing said. I want to make note of that. Seems like an interesting variant of Premier dryers, one I've never came across before, so that's cool. On Street View, the dryers were a variant of Aereo Dry. That's probably what it used to be when the tunnel was in here. So it's probably going to give it a second to soak, and then we're going to be doing our high pressure. Yep. triple foam. Interesting how it didn't announce that pass, just like the other two. So now we're probably going to be doing a quick rinse with the overhead manifolds. So it was rinsing that off while applying the sealant. Alright, now what? So now we're going to be doing our spot-free rinse. So that's pretty simple. Not too bad. I'm just going to say again how much I love how open this bay is. As I was saying, I love how open this bay is. I just wish it wasn't so bumpy and having all those holes in it that I had to drive over on the way in. That's probably going to be it, so I'm going to put you up here. This is such an interesting variant. I've never came across this version of Premier dryers before, but they're pretty cool. And the side producer definitely helps with drying the sides. Still have 44 seconds, so I'm gonna try and get this side better. Giant hump. I'm stuck. Ugh, Jesus. I think I'm pretty much out of their range now. You see, the real giveaway that this might have been a tunnel wash is that there's 2 exit lanes here. Which means that there was probably some hand drying or interior detailing going on there when it was a tunnel wash. Well, I gotta say, that seemed to have turned out a lot better than the last car wash I just did. And despite the fact that how hard it is to navigate your car over like the giant bumps and the potholes that are in there, it seems to do just fine despite that. So I don't really have any major complaints. And that Washworld razor definitely is maintained very well, so a well-maintained razor will do a good job most of the time. Well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for watching.